SmithCo is an industry leader in side dump trailers located in Lamars, Iowa. SmithCo manufactures 4 different types of standard side dump trailers along with custom order trailers. This fall 2019, our team of industrial engineering students in senior capstone from Iowa State University partnered with SmithCo to work on a throughput improvement project. The team consists of 4 students, myself, Haley Beving, along with Grant Harmon, Jack Colbeck, and Jacob Pyburn.
The objective of this project is to increase SmithCo's current production of 12 trailers a week to 15 trailers a week.
We asked Dan Doman, the engineering manager at SmithCo, what steps did our team take that you felt were crucial to making these improvements?
I like the fact that we had a current state to say, this is how much wasted time that we have. This is how much downtime we have, value added, non-value added, but necessary, and then just, non-necessary, non-value added. Having some of that data helps us to be able to go to our operators who might be reluctant to change and say, here's why we think that we need to do things to improve our productivity.
Currently, the burn table operators don't have an organized method for sorting parts that come off the burn table. When conducting our work sampling study, our team found the table itself was only cutting about 50% of the time. The spaghetti diagram we recorded displayed a lot of overlap in operator responsibilities. The red color represents the burn table operators, and the blue represents the other departments coming to look for their undelivered parts.
In order to improve utilization of the burn table, our team suggested hiring a material handler to be responsible for sorting and delivering the parts that come off the burn table. This position would alleviate the responsibilities placed on the burn table operators so they could focus on running the burn table as much as possible. We also suggested organizing the parts coming off the burn table into color-coded buckets to be further processed, and then onto pallets once they were ready for delivery to the specific departments.
A work sampling was conducted of the proposed future state of the burn table. Our team found a significant improvement in utilization from 50% to 73%. Another spaghetti diagram was also recorded to display the decrease in overlap between the red burn table operators and the other departments in blue, and the new material handler in green.
We asked Rudy Diaz, the designated material handler lead, how do you think the changes made in the burn table, specifically adding a material handler, will help increase output and productivity?
I believe it's going to help it a lot. People are going to be looking for parts that they need, having better control of the parts that we do burn and cut and try to stock. I think it's going to be overall improvement on just the general production of everything.
Currently, the kitting operation consists of throwing all parts in one bucket. This results in damaged parts along with a lot of time spent looking for parts or repairing those damaged parts. Another work sampling study was conducted of this kitting area, specifically on the kitting operator. We found that he was only doing value-added work about 19% of the time.
Our team wanted to make a more visual and modular solution. The proposed solution will also benefit the finished operators because their parts will be separated. The new kit will be on a cart with wheels and hooks for hoses. The red, blue, and gray totes are for the 3 main finish operations: electrical, hydraulic, and air.
Our team conducted a new work sampling of the proposed future state. The new method of kitting resulted in an increase of value-added time from 19% to 47%.
The work samplings taken from the 3 main operations in the finish area showed similar results. About 50 to 62% of the time was actually value added. The main cause of non-value added time was the disorganization of tools.
Our team suggested creating standard tool carts with shadow boards. This mobile method would eliminate the time spent looking for tools on the back wall.
The value-added time for each operation increased from the original 50 to 62% to 63 to 73% value-added time.
An economic impact based on selling 2.7 more trailers per week per year will result in an increase of net profit of 22.5%.
With the calculated improvements in utilization, our team found with the proper training of these new methods, SmithCo can definitely achieve their objective of producing at least 3 more trailers a week to get them to their goal of 15 trailers per week.